Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are delivered country Junglist Entertainment. Here we give you silly hotness of what is trending in Nigeria and Africa and the world at large. Please, if you're new in our midst, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to stay afloat with the times. Big Brother announces date for season 6 audition. Wow, that is good news. Organizers of Big Brother Nigeria reality show have disclosed a new date for auditioning for season 6. The organizers, in a post in his Twitter page on Thursday, stated that auditioning for the show would begin from 3rd to 16th of May 2021. I remember today is 3rd of May 2021. Those interested in participating in the reality show should log on to africanmagic.tv/BBAUDTIO, upload a 2-minute video introducing themselves and telling Big Brother why they should be in the house. Organizers disclosed that audition is free and open to persons who are 21 years and above with a valid identity document. Also, those who partook in the previous access audition are enjoined not to participate in this audition. Whether you win or you lose, you definitely come back with something. At least you get fame. And from what they say, it is free, but you just have to be 21 years and older. And apart from that, you should have document that, okay, I am from the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Boko Haram are giving palliatives to citizens right now, not citizens of the whole country anyway, but Gaidam residents. Boko Haram lost Gaidam residents with 20,000 naira each. That is big money. That is big money. Well, many families in Gaidam town of Yobe State have reportedly received 20,000 naira each from Boko Haram fighters loyal to the Islamic State West African Province, ISWAP. According to Daily Trust, experts with knowledge of how the factional group operates said the unprecedented move was to entice the residents to join the group or see them in good light. Wow. Abba, a resident of Gaidam, said some people are still living in Gaidam have received the 20,000 naira from Boko Haram as Ramadan gift. Some families willingly collected the money while others collected it out of fear. They don't want to be flogged or killed if they reject it. A woman who doesn't want her name mentioned said the terrorists were also preaching to the people. It is a dangerous dimension for now because they would end up recruiting our children. Government should confront them, she said. People have been begging the government regarding these activities regarding Boko Haram. But the truth is that we want the government to do something. Well, we've discussed about Nigeria. We've said a lot about Nigeria. Well, we've said a lot about Nigeria because Boko Haram is no more fresh news. Let's move on to the United States of America to something fresh. Hip hop mogul Dr. Dre appeared to pay $5,000 to estranged wife Nico Young's divorce lawyers. Wow. Nico Young, 51, had asked Los Angeles judge Michael Powell to force her wealthy, soon-to-be ex-husband to pay her $2 million per month in spousal support, plus $5 million for her attorney fees. During a hearing on Tuesday, April 27, 2021, the Superior Court judge ordered Dre to pay her lawyer $5,000 within 10 days, while a decision on the spousal support issue has been delayed until another hearing on July 8, 2021. In a written ruling, the judge said, pending the next hearing dates on this matter, the court grant only $5,000 in attorney's fees for petitioners, that is Nicole's counsel. Fees are to be paid to petitioner's counsel no later than May 7th, and today is May 3rd. In other words, he has 4 days to pay this money. The 56-year-old star, who was recently declared legally single, agreed to continue paying for Nicole's monthly expenses and will also continue to pay the mortgage on the Malibu home the 51-year-old lives in. However, the producer has insisted he won't pay for her security costs. Divorce is not a good thing at all. It is not a good thing. That's why I see so many people being scared of getting married. People prefer baby daddies and baby mommies these days, because if you have a baby mommy, you won't have stuff like this. You won't divorce. You can just get up any day and go. But whether you are a Christian or a Muslim, it is logical, it is scriptural, and it is also in the Quran that people should get married properly. But from what is going on, I mean, this divorce, you got married to this guy for decades, and finally you've divorced him, and you're asking for that money. That money is huge. You took a lawyer to the court, and the guy will not pay your lawyer and pay his own lawyer. Come on, man, what is really happening? Well, what are your thoughts on that? Please don't forget to drop your comments below. Let's analyze issues together. Still talking about Nigeria, Nigeria has been facing issues. We've been having issues in the country. Ghana to deport 494 Nigerians. Ghana, our brother country here, Ghana is about to deport Nigerians. Well, you might ask why. 494 Nigerians said to be deported by Ghana. Ghana has announced plans to deport 494 Nigerians over illegally entering into the country. Assistant Superintendent of Police and spokesperson for the Regional Police Command said this in an interview with the Ghana News Agency in Bologatanga Township. He said the operation led to the arrest of 507 foreigners in the Bologatanga municipality and its environs, who were citizens of Burkina Faso and Nigeria. According to him, apart from the intelligence of the police service, they also had information from the public about the influx of foreign nationals into their communities. He said the residents attributed the rising crime in the region to alleged illegal activities of the foreigners and the swoop conducted by the police service. Well, we've been hearing news about this, that Nigeria is no more safe. People are scared of being in this country. So many persons are ready to travel out of this country, no matter what. They are ready to do anything just to leave this country. And we've heard it, Ghana is now set to deport Nigeria because they went into the country illegally. They didn't pass through the legal steps to go into the country. Well, what are thoughts on that? Please don't forget to drop your comments below. Well, we've said a lot about bad news, about bad things that have been happening in the country. Congratulations to Anambra State. Live, Anambra Airport received first test flights in April 2021. The first Air Peace plane just landed. Ivorian's Air Peace has just landed at Anambra International Cargo Airport today, 30th April 2021. And this is so many Ivorians are saying they are glad to be part of this history, that Anambra Airport is now ready. Air Peace don't land. Fine. So, in other words, they use Air Peace as a test flight. And we all know the owner of Air Peace is from Igbo. He's an Igbo man. And we don't have Nigerian Airways. Come on, man. In the 21st century, we don't have airways in this country. We have been hearing of Ethiopian Airways and stuff, but we don't have any airline. I mean, we don't have Nigerian Airways. We don't have airline in our own country, the giant of Africa. Is this country really a giant? Well, what are your thoughts on that? Please don't forget to drop your comments below. There's this thing that has been trending about Kayamata. Kayamata has been trending that women are using Kayamata to snatch other people's husbands. Now there's another thing that has been trending in this country. Soap, cut soap for me. Well, recently, Monfa bought a Mercedes-Benz GLE 63S AMG 2021. 0 kilometers, 603 horsepower, big engine, big money. According to Monfa, he said, my Dudu Osun soap is working. Billionaire Monfa acquires a 2021 Mercedes-Benz ELE 63. Congratulations to you, Monfa. We don't know if it is Dudu Osun soap or whatever soap you are using. Well, bros, cut soap. And cut soap. People are really ready to use this soap. Well, recently talking about love, there's this thing that's been trending in Nigeria, love stories here and there. It's been standing and falling. Well, there's this guy that bought his girlfriend items, and guess what? He saw his girlfriend with a side guy. So the petty boyfriends received the items he bought for his girl after catching her on a movie date with another man. Well, just watch this video to see what happened.
She dey comot am herself, omo. This matter don pass. You see the girl.
That video is like, it's like funny, and the girl doesn't, she didn't have a choice. She has to remove everything. Well, thank God the pant wasn't included in the items, and maybe the bra. She would have maybe naked everything for the guy. Well, what are your thoughts on that? Please don't forget to drop your comment below. You know, Nigeria is a funny place anyway. We're having these issues in this country. No, Nigeria is a good country. It's a very good country. Some people are praying to be born in this country, or some people are praying to be in this country. We have people in this country who have the money, they have everything to buy citizenship in other parts of the country, but they are here because they are making money. In Nigeria, you can go pee, poo anywhere. Nobody will even ask you why. I mean, you have freedom, you drink and drive. But in other countries, you can't do that. But the insecurities in the country, that has been our problem for now. And people have been complaining regarding this. Recently, there was this guy that dropped a prayer. Alhaji Malik, he dropped a prayer on Twitter. And people have been using that prayers. It's like becoming like the lost prayer in this country. According to Malik, he said, God, please, we know you have already created us in Nigeria. We have accepted our fate, but as we all step out today, let's return home safely today and every day. Amen. That is from the desk of Alhaji Malik. What are your thoughts on that? Please don't forget to drop your comment below. Thank you very much for watching Jugular Entertainment. We hope you're entertained. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to stay afloat with the time. Take care of yourself and have a lovely day.